Give me some interesting fun facts about herbs that people don't know
People, they don't know.
and that can blow their mind.
See, I will say that agasti is a plant. Everyone should use it.
Okay.
You know, iodine is such an important trace element for our body. Where do we get all the trace elements? From our food. From the food where the trace elements are coming? From the soil. Now in our soil, there is no trace elements. That is why actually like government introduced iodized salt. You know, first iodized salt came into the picture in 1920s in US. It came to India in 1950s. Big market started in India only by 1980s. Even though we are having this iodized salt, still like thyroid, PCOD, hormonal imbalance, all these are very common. These are all the deficiency of iodine. And agasti is the only leafy plant which produce iodine. So everyone should grow that. Even though they are not able to grow, they should get the powder and use it.
How?
When it is a powder, it is not water soluble. If you have a plant, you can take that leaf, you can add into your smoothies, you can add into your chutneys without heating. And another plant is poovarash. It's actually like, no, it's very easily, commonly seen on the roads and all in Bangalore. It's a wonderful plant, I'll say that. Now, we are used to using so many chemicals at home. Now, the liver problem becomes very common.
Correct.
What is our function of our liver? Anything comes inside, the poison have to neutralize. That is a function of our liver. But we are actually nature being. We are living in a world like everything is chemically treated, only we are eating. So that much of pollution goes inside. That is why now this fatty liver, it becomes like a very common.
Correct,
Even youngsters, you can see fatty liver. 14-year-old child I have seen recently with the fatty liver. So this poovarash is the leaf. It's commonly seen over here. It's a commonly seen tree over here. It's called Indian tulip. That you make it as your drinking water. Take few leaves, 4-5 leaves, put it in your water. If you are having the habit of 6 glass of water, 10 glass of water, put that leaf, boil the water. That water you drink throughout the day. See, about water, we always think that, okay, RO water is good. Now Kankan water has come. So what water is good for us? We all having a confusion. But I will tell you that the water, whatever the RO water or the plain water, what you're drinking, as a human being, that is not our right water. In the animal kingdom, actually we humans are coming on the top in animal kingdom. And our water, it should come through a plant. A sugar cane, you just think that we are giving plain water to the sugar cane. It's giving you a very sweet water. That is your water. If you give a plain water to watermelon, it gives you a sweet water. So that kind of juices are your water. So instead of drinking the plain water, your upgraded level of, see, when you are giving a plain water to sugarcane, that plant has a technology. That plant is actually drinking the plain water and giving you the sweet water. It is using that technology to upgrade that water. So as a human being, we should have that upgraded level of water. So our water is, these kind of juices are our water. And when you are drinking that, you will get, along with that thirst, you will get lot of nutrition also. Whatever the nutrition you want, that also you are getting it. So it's not that you have to really literally measure like how much water I have to drink. Your water intake will go in maybe like 10 glass, otherwise you are drinking. That may go 3 glass or 4 glass. That's enough for us.
Okay. So you're saying basically substitute regular water with juices.
Yeah, juices.
What kind of juices?
Yeah. See, sugarcane juice. And it's a water and it's a good form of like the carbohydrate.
But many people say that it can lead to weight gain or diabetes.
You know why diabetes happens? Diabetes is a degenerative disease. Degeneration happens with unnatural food. The diabetes, like, no, within 3 months you can, if you just change your diet, like you can change. Like those who have diabetes, they should not take this sugarcane water now. You have to reverse your diabetes. Then you can have this. A person is having diabetes, they should not take any kind of fruit in this way. They can have only avocado, papaya, all this they can have. Otherwise, normal people take this. Okay. And a normal person is having this juice, you will not get any diabetes or anything. This is your right water.
Coconut water.
Coconut water. You can have it. Tender coconut water, you can have it. Any kind of form of water. And bring diversity there also. Each plant bring like different trace elements. So each plant have different technologies. So we have to bring diversity. We need everything for our body. And another very good herb is there, kudavan. In Malayalam it is, English name like you can say later. It's actually very good for our memory thing. See, aging is something that it's not only for our, the skin it has to come from even your thought.
Correct.
Mind plays a major role. So you have to stimulate your mind in that way. So try to take this kudavan also, like, no, every day you can just include in your diet. It's a brain booster, you can say. And ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is again, like, no, it's very good for immunity booster.
Okay.
So that will give you like more of strength. So you need, no, like, the internally, like, it shows that.
Okay, Auntie, let's come to internal health. What are some of the herbs that I should take first thing in the morning when I wake up?
See, alkaline juice. Alkaline juice everyone should have in the morning, because mostly, like, our bodies tend to be acidic. To bring the pH neutral, alkaline juice is must in the morning time. Not only in the morning and evening. Alkaline juice in the sense like the cucumber, snake gourd, ash gourd, bottle gourd, all this juice you can take.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.